Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one email account. So the process is actually quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first things first, what you need to do is to simply head to youtube.com. So you can just simply type that on your address bar, and once you in there YouTube, just make sure that you are currently logged in into your account. So it should be the same email account that you want to create your YouTube channel with. And once you are in here, just simply click your profile. It should be located on the upper right corner of your screen, and then from these options, just locate settings. And once you are in the settings page, just go ahead and locate your YouTube channel section right here, and under this section, just go ahead and click add or manage your channels. So do that, and once you are on this page, you should be able to locate this create a channel button. So click onto that again, and then on this page, just simply type in your new channel name for your new YouTube channel account or YouTube channel. So once you have done that, just check this button right here, or check this box right here, and hit the create button. And once you have done that, the Google accounts will require you to type in your phone number, so you can just simply do that also, and then continue and just wait for the verification code on your phone. And after a few seconds, you should be able to create that new YouTube channel. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.